So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply henna paste on your hair. I already did a video how to make your own henna paste at home, so I'll put the link in the description box. And this is my henna paste. So I just changed the brand of my henna. The ones that I was using before was the Video one, and this one is the Shahnai one. This one also is good, but this one already have coffee powder, but still I do add coffee to mine. So yes, let's dive into the video. I will show you how to apply the henna paste. So first, for those who do have gray hair, you need to divide your hair into sections like this, and then of course you need to have a brush to apply this, and then you apply it like this till to the ends of your hair. Both sides you need to do like this, and then you pull everything up and you apply it like this till to the ends of your hair. Now I'm going to show you for those who don't have gray hair. So like me, I don't have gray hair, so I just apply it only on the top like this, and I don't apply it till the ends of my hair. I do apply this just on the top I focus only on the top of my head, not to the ends, just because when normally we do wash our hair, the henna paste already fade away on the top and stain the ends of our hair automatically. That's why I do apply only henna paste just on the top of my head, not to the ends. So I'm going to apply this all over my head. So okay, I already applied it on the top of my head. Now I'm going to tell you how many hours or how many minutes you need to leave this henna paste on your hair. For those who do have the gray hair, you need to leave it till it dries completely. And for those who don't have gray hair, you can just leave it for 1 hour or 30 minutes or even 45 minutes. And if you want, you can even leave it till it dries completely. But if you and of course, when we do apply henna paste on our hair, so we need to protect the walls of our house. That is, we need to cover our head. You can use a plastic bag or a plastic to cover your head. But when you cover your head, it takes more hours to dry than it's normally do. So yes, I'm going to leave mine just for 1 hour, not more than that. And yes, I'll just show you how it looks at the back of my head. So yes guys, that is for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I do upload new videos. Bye, I will see you on my next one.